Welcome back. In this video we will discuss the next concept, that is job sequencing with deadline using greedy method. So in the last video we discussed one more example, that is a knapsack problem. So in the knapsack problem what we did, just we are considering, for example they will give this table, so 4 items they given, so they will give profit and their weights. So according to the highest profit what I will get, just I will select those items and I will calculate the maximum profit. In the same way, job sequencing also, here they will give different jobs. So for example 7 jobs they given, so for these 7 jobs they will give what are the different profits for each job and what are the deadlines for each job. Deadlines means within how many hours we can, within how many hours we can do that job. Clear? So for example 7, just consider I am having a shop, any shop. So 7 persons came to me. Okay, so first person can wait 5 hours to do his job to me. He can wait up to 5 hours to do his job, and the second person can wait up to 2 hours to do his job. Third person can wait 4 hours, fourth person can wait 3 hours, fifth person can wait 3 hours, seventh person 1 hour, and sixth person 1 hour, and finally seventh person can wait up to 4 hours. That means which job we can do in such a way that I will get maximum profit. So for here deadline, what is the maximum deadline here? Maximum value 5, right? So maximum deadline is 5. That means 5 means I am having only 5 hours and I can't do all these 7 jobs. So if I assume I can do 1 job per hour, okay, that means I can do 5 jobs out of 5 hours. Okay, and I want to select the 5 jobs so that I can get maximum profit. That means here whatever the highest profit, that I will do first. So what is the maximum deadline? 5. That means just consider I am having 5 slots, each slot 1 hour. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, fourth slot and fifth slot. So in these slots I want to perform different jobs, and which job I can do now. So I want to select that. So first here while just concentrate which job having a highest profit, 40, right? So I will select this 40. Which job? J2 I will select first. I will select J2. Next, to do J2 can wait how many hours? 2 hours. That means if he want to wait 2 hours, if he willing to wait 2 hours, so I can do in slot 1 or slot 2. Either slot 1 or slot 2. If you want, you can put slot 2 only. Okay, J2 is finished. So next, highest profit. Which one having highest profit next? J1 here. Okay, J1 having highest profit, and J1 can wait up to 5 hours. So I can book any one of the slot, but come from highest to lowest. So I will select J1 here. So after J2 I performed J1 so that I will get maximum profit. Next, after J1, which job having highest profit? 15, yes, 15. So I will select 15 now. Next, 15 means J4. J4 I want to do, and J4 can wait how many hours? 3 hours he can wait. So 3 hours means first 3 slots. First hour, second hour, third hour, first 3 slots. So is the third hour free? Yes. Is the second hour free? No. Here I can't do, in second hour I can't do J4, but I can do J4 in third slot and also first slot. So just perform J4 here. Okay. Next, after J4, which job having a highest profit? 10. So now I will select 10. So 10, job name is J5. J5. So here J5 can wait 3 hours. 3 hours. That means first 3 slots he can complete his job. Now check it. So J5 can wait 3 hours. That means first 3 slots, in any slot he can do his job. So is the third slot is free? No, I can't do J5 here. Is the second slot is free? No, I can't do J5 here. Is first slot is free? Yes. If it is yes, so here I can do J5 also. Yes. Next, highest profit from which job I will get? Here, 8. So I will select now J6. I will select J6. And J6, what is the deadline for J6? 1. That means, so within 1 hour, within 1 hour, within first slot, he has to complete his job. But check it whether the first slot is free. No, if it is not free, so I can't do J6. Simple, that's it. So next, which job I want to select? Next, maximum profit I will get from J3. So I will select J3. So, and J3 can wait up to 4 hours. That means in 4 slot, first 4 slot, if anyone is free, I can do. Yes, slot 4 is free, so I can do J3 here. Yes. Next, which job is remaining? J7. J7. So I will select J7. And can you tell me J7 is, what is the deadline for J7? So in first 4 hours, I have to complete J7. So just check in first 4 slot, any slot is free. So slot 4 is already filled. So J7 I can't do here. And slot 3 also I can't do. Slot 2 also I can't do. Slot 1 is also I can't do because all are filled. So J7 I can't do. And in any other jobs we have to do? No. So just stop the procedure and calculate the maximum profit of these performed jobs. So what is the maximum profit of J2? 40. That is the addition. So what is the J1 profit? 20. And what is the J4 profit? 15. Next, what is the J5 profit? 10. So 0 into J6, 0. So I am neglecting. So J3 profit is 5. Next, J7 I am not performing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 jobs I can do in 5 hours duration, so that I will get maximum profit. What is the maximum profit? 40 plus 20, 60, 60, 70, 75, 80, 90. 40, 60, 75, 85, 90. So this is the maximum profit from job sequencing with deadline. So job sequencing, as we notice, sequencing is nothing but which job we are doing first. So while coming to this solution, first I will do the job J2, next I will do J1, next I will do J4, next J5, next J3. So this is the sequence, and what is the maximum profit I will get? 90. And this completes your job sequencing with deadline. Thank you.